Okay, so I just finished up a oil change on a Toro Zmaster 500. This has got the leaf bagging system on the back, but I just wanted to show you exactly where the plug was and where the filter was. Here's the machine. All right. Now, on this machine you have, if you come over to the right side of it and right behind the tire, see that yellow plug right there? Let's go behind the tire here, get a closer look. You got that one there, but the ideal one to do, come around to the other side, and you can still see it's wet with oil right there. I'm going to go in closer. It's right there at the bottom of that one right there. Now you can see you're going to need a thin socket. They don't give you a whole lot of clearance to get a socket on there, and I would definitely recommend using a swivel, because you got this frame here that's going to prevent you from going straight onto that nut in there, and you will strip those threads out, taking it out, and then you're going to have a serious problem trying to retap that. So get yourself a swivel and use that to get your socket on there. Alright, so it is a 11/16. Now I just want to show you real fast. Let me turn my light back on here. I got the swivel on there, and as you can see right there, I'm on there. You can see the angle that you're going to be on with this in the way. So without that swivel, you're going to really mess that bolt up. Alright, but that's it. Take that out and make sure you got a pan underneath, because it's going to run. If you got your motor on an angle, it's going to run towards the back. If you got it level, it's more or less going to run. There's a hole here you can see in the frame. You can see that hole there. It'll run out there. So you want to put your pan underneath, and if it is going to run out the back, you got a hole there, and hopefully it doesn't come out there, because you're right around all your belts here, and you don't want to get oil all over the belts. So what I did is I just kind of put the machine up on the lift here and kind of tilted the motor to make it run out the front hole there. But that's it. Hopefully this helps, and I'll see you next time.